Welcome back to Deluxe Motorsports. Today we're going to be looking at a 2014 Dodge Ram 2500. This one has a 6.7 Cummins in it. This is the 6-speed manual edition. It is not the 6-speed automatic. So this is definitely good for somebody who's towing heavy machinery or towing a lot of equipment from job site to job site. Would do very good for towing. It is a very clean truck with only 100,000 miles on it. Does have some aftermarket rims and tires. Fully tuned, got the full exhaust, got 35-inch tires, as I was saying. Really nice truck. Just listen to that exhaust. This truck does not have a fifth wheel attachment added on yet, but you can add one, as you see there. As I was saying, it's a very clean truck, only with 100,000 miles on it. Let's take a look at the inside. It's a 6-speed manual. Cloth seats, very good condition. The truck has no rust on it, looking very clean. It's an overall very clean truck. Come on in, take a look at it. Deluxe Motorsports. Probably won't be here for long. If you do a lot of towing, it'd be perfect for you. Come on in, take a look at it.